Home design and architecture have been critical topics throughout human civilization. As the world develops, innovative techniques and technologies are continually being discovered to meet the growing demands for functional and aesthetically pleasing living spaces. This evolution reflects the ongoing quest to enhance comfort, efficiency, and style in our homes. In the construction industry, companies are actively shaping their identities to meet the evolving needs of modern society while fostering healthy competition. One notable institution, the Advocating Institute, has emphasized the importance of increasing competition within the construction sector to ensure housing for all, highlighting the need for innovative approaches and robust market dynamics. Welcome to Grand Engineering Private Limited. We provide to house design, new construction, project consultation, renovation. Grand Engineering was initiated to provide an eminent construction service to clients who sought quality. We have established a unique position among our customers' minds as we use the latest technology, highest quality material for our construction work. As an esteemed player in the industry, we are pioneers in providing solutions to exceed our customers' expectations. Our employees are gifted with an intense set of skills, creativity, which helps us to complete our construction projects within stipulated timelines with the highest possible quality. Our brand, Grand Engineering. Esteem itself is your mirror of trust which keeps us alive in the construction industry in Sri Lanka. Our company is composed of a team of highly skilled and experienced professionals dedicated to executing construction projects with the highest quality standards. From the initial planning phase through to project completion, we meticulously identify and fulfill all client requirements, ensuring that every aspect of the project is addressed with precision and care. Our commitment to quality is unwavering as we integrate the latest engineering techniques and emerging technologies to enhance project outcomes. This approach not only meets but often exceeds the demands of the global market. By leveraging advanced construction methodologies and maintaining a focus on innovation, we ensure robust security and superior results for our clients. Our expertise in the architecture, engineering, and construction AEC industry allows us to deliver projects that are not only structurally sound, but also aesthetically pleasing and environmentally sustainable. Our team's dedication to continuous improvement and adherence to industry best practices positions us as a leader in the construction sector, capable of handling complex and large-scale projects with efficiency and excellence. We would like to present to you some of the projects that we have completed. Proposed 8-unit apartment at Shillong. Proposed new 3-story house at Makaludua. Proposed renovation 4-story house at Rathmalana. Proposed new 2-story house at Kaduela. Proposed new car park and facility building at Negombo. proposed new single-story house at Bandaragama. Proposed new 3-story house at Pepiliana. Brand Engineering Private Limited. Whatever your vision will nail it for you.